heartland of industrial Europe, in southeast Poland, Prairie Mining Limited is developing the Lublin Coal Project, a large-scale, world-class hard coal asset. The Lublin Coal Project has a JORC coal resource of more than 700 million tons. The project sits in the world-class Lublin Coal Basin, the last remaining and underexplored high-quality coal basin in Europe.
It is very unusual to find a project within the European Union that has highly favourable geology, existing port and rail infrastructure, and huge quantities of undeveloped premium hard coal. At Prairie Mining, we are progressing through a feasibility and permitting program. We intend to submit our mining concession applications to the Polish government during 2016. Our Lublin Coal Project has a potential to produce 6 million tonnes per annum of premium quality coal for European industry at the lowest cost for coal delivered into Europe today. The Lublin Coal Basin was extensively drilled by the Polish government during the 1960s and 70s. At Prairie Mining, we have invested millions of dollars drilling new boreholes to verify and upgrade the historical database according to international standards, and also to improve our understanding of the coal quality and market opportunities. And we are very excited that our drilling work has identified that our target seam contains significant quantities of semi-soft coking coal. The geology of the Lublin Coal Basin is extremely favourable for underground longwall coal mining operations. The coal seams are flat and contiguous, have low incidence of faulting, and very low levels of methane gas. In fact, from a mining engineering perspective, the Lublin Coal Basin is already a proven world-class coal mining jurisdiction. Prairie's concessions are adjacent to the existing Bogdanka mine that has been in operation for 32 years. Bogdanka currently produces 8.5 million tonnes per annum and is the lowest cost hard coal mine in Europe today. The good news is that Prairie Mining has the potential to mine at the same operating costs, or in fact even lower than the Bogdanka mine. And that is because we're implementing international best practice into a very modern mine design for our Lublin Coal Project.
A critical aspect that many in the market overlook is energy security. Europe needs long-term, sustainable domestic sources of coal, so as not to be reliant on imports from other continents or countries such as Russia or Colombia. Europe imported over 200 million tons of hard coal in 2014, of which 55 million tons was coking coal. According to our analysis, the estimated coal supply deficit in Germany in 2020 will amount to 55 million tons, 20 million tons in Poland and Czech Republic. These are markets that are at the doorstep of the Lublin Coal Basin. Lublin Coal Project will be able to produce 6 million tons annually of high-quality coal that is suitable for the sale throughout Europe. We are targeting predominantly semi-soft coking coal production, but we'll also be able to produce other products. This flexibility to supply different products into numerous markets gives the Lublin Coal Project significant competitive advantages over some of overseas and local mines.
Poland is blessed with an abundance of high-quality rail and port infrastructure that will link our project with domestic and international customers. The Lublin Coal Project itself is located some 50 kilometers from Lublin, one of the largest cities in the eastern Poland with its own international airport. The mine site is only some 20 kilometers from Poland's national rail network and 500 kilometers from bulk coal export terminals at the port of Gdańsk. So, the infrastructure already exists and provides access to domestic and European export markets. Importantly, there is significant available capacity on both rail and the port infrastructure to handle our export needs.
Z lubelskim zagłębiem węglowym związany jestem od ponad 30 lat. Pracę rozpocząłem w 1980 roku jako nadgórnik, po to, aby ostatecznie w 2008 roku zostać prezesem kopalni Bogdanka. Pod moim nadzorem Bogdanka weszła na giełdę papierów wartościowych w Warszawie, przeprowadziła największą inwestycję górniczą w Polsce, stała się też najbardziej dochodową kopalnią węgla kamiennego w Europie. Lubelskie zagłębie węglowe znam bardzo dobrze. Stąd na podstawie mojej wiedzy o nim, na podstawie wiedzy menedżerskiej oraz wiedzy górniczej mogę stwierdzić, że projekt jest projektem, który posiada wszelkie walory, aby stać się kopalnią światowej klasy. Moje przyłączenie się do zespołu pracującego nad tym projektem było dla mnie sprawą oczywistą, w pewnym sensie jakby następstwem moich doświadczeń zawodowych. Firma Prairie Mining rozpoznała złoże i udokumentowała je zgodnie z międzynarodowymi standardami, co gwarantuje w przyszłości bezkolizyjną eksploatację pokładów. Mamy ze sobą kapitał, czerpiemy z międzynarodowych doświadczeń, korzystamy także z wiedzy polskich specjalistów, z którymi mam przyjemność pracować. Kopalnia Jan Karski będzie pierwszą kopalnią węgla kamiennego w Europie Środkowej, która zbudowana zostanie w oparciu o najnowocześniejsze i najbardziej efektywne międzynarodowe standardy oraz praktyki górnicze. Dlatego też stanie się ona najbardziej opłacalną kopalnią węgla kamiennego w Europie.
Poland produces 85% of its electricity from coal and has a rich coal mining history stretching back over 250 years. Maybe that is why we've felt so welcome here since the start of our operations. We enjoy strong support from the community and the government. We have 2 offices in Poland, one in Lublin and one in Warsaw, and we have a team of both Polish and international experts. We intend to rapidly develop the Lublin coal project into a world-class coal mining operation, creating thousands of jobs in eastern Poland, generating tax revenues for the Polish government, and superior returns for our shareholders. And the way we're going to do this is by implementing international best practice into a very modern and efficient mine design.